locations, right? So there's one job, you create one job. It's like, I'm a carpenter. The next job is, I'm a programmer. And then you have an array of carpenter and programmer or whoever. So you have a list of jobs. Huh?
It's an array of objects.
Array of, yeah, array of
Instantiated classes.
Exactly.
You see the user we have here? Let me zoom. So if we want to make an array called users, remember the array syntax? Square brackets? And we add it here, right? So this is an array of, this is an instantiated class, right? We all agree on that we save in a variable called user. Going to make a new variable called users, plural, which is an array of, let's say I have more of these, right? I have user 1, user 2, user 3, mass 3, 2. So user 2, so I add it to the array. Right? So the array contains 3 users. The array, all these users are user is the instantiated class. So it has the whole class. It has instance.
The example.
Yeah?
The word example, you say, is also you can say instance or you can say an object of. Same thing. And a class is just the structure of how things look, but the object is the actual thing. Just so it helps, hopefully. Last time on this exercise was a lot of confused people, so I'm expecting a lot of questions. Last time meaning my class 11. Here I wish there was a type. You know, like what is, if there are no types, it gets very confusing. Yeah. I do, that's why I do. It's so much better. Then you don't, what do you say, fluff? Yeah, okay, well that tries to do the same thing, yeah. It's so easy to switch to. It's like you just leave. You can leave the code as it is, or you can add the type. That's great. Oh, yeah. I think it's a no-brainer. JavaScript is doing it wrong. But anyway. Yeah. Because it's easy to pass the wrong thing or undefined. That's it. The thing I think I don't like about this is this. You see, first you pass the jobs here, and then you add the jobs there. So you would probably do one or the other. Prepare my preferences.
Yes, I would do the same. Yes.
The class CV,
Yes.
it's like a constructor, we are passing jobs, HPH. Jobs, HPH, they are even a class, right?
No. Everything you pass in is as properties. Anybody to pass in arguments that you pass in.
So it means if inside we add job, I have to assume jobs as an empty array and I have to add job, push job into job.
That's a very good point because we just talked about this right now. It's, yeah. Like, basically, right. Normally, either you're going to initialize the whole array and pass it in the constructor, or the constructor is empty and everything is empty, and then add job adds to this. You see, because right now you have both, and it's confusing.
I think this, since we have a class jobs where we have all the parameters like ID type and everything, I just thought We have to take that entry and add inside jobs.
You're allowed to pass empty arrays in. In this exercise, it's totally legit to initialize your constructor with an empty array of jobs and then add job. That will work too. Same with education. Same with English.
So like what I think is inside. What I want to ask. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the job is going to be inside that array. I'm going to move job.
Yeah. There are many ways to do it. That's why it's confusing in the sense that, yeah, it makes sense.
Add job of job inside that method. I jobs dot push. Jobs dot push.
Exactly.
Job. Yeah.
Why doesn't it make sense? Why would that be?
Mm.
Because when conjugate a class CB, and passing empty array inside.
Yeah.
That's the parameter, right?
Yes, you can do. Or the constructor could change to take no arguments in this case.
Then what's the purpose of
Well, you could also instantiate it with already having two jobs. You could have it with already having two jobs, and you just have this map where it comes from. But I agree with you. I would also use not. Makes it seem like you. It's good to have questions about is this a good way to do the code? Because if it doesn't make sense to you, that means you understand it, right? It just means you can ask the questions. So that's good. But I agree.
One way, and then we'll talk about, it's not just one way to do it. Make a PR to this.